Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Pallygo cold weather sleeping bag. This sleeping bag comes with a carrying sack that has adjustable straps already built into the sack. When you are ready to use it, it is just as simple as taking it out from the bag and unrolling the sleeping bag. This sleeping bag is very spacious and can easily fit big and tall adults with its 90-inch length and 36-inch width. The bag has a comfort rating of 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, and also the extreme temperature is 0 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a good range of temperatures depending on what you are doing with it. If you are in need of much lower temps for the comfort ratings, then this might not be a good fit for you. The inside lining is made of cotton flannel, as you can see, which is nice and soft, as well as a double layer construction with a half circle mummy style hood on the top. One feature I really like is the two-way zipper for both the right and left-hand zipper, which allows two flannel sleeping bags to be attached together if you wanted to do that. Overall, the quality of the sleeping bag is quite good. If you are looking for a spacious and comfortable sleeping bag for your next camping trip or for emergency preparedness, a bag like this could be very helpful for you.